Welcome, it's Kitty from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts. Today, I would like to share with you one of our injector. Let's take a look for this one. Neutral white box. Label. One side each pieces. The product code is 04451100802. Also, we can help our customers to design this kind of logo, label, the packaging details, etc. The first layer avoid damages. Second layer blue VCI anti-rust bag. That's the inside product. This one, the OE number is QUANCHAI 441020251002. High quality is 3 times commercial test before we send out. Good after-sales service, 6 months warranty time. Let's check it. Protection cover. QR code, product code, etc. Plug. Triangle valve in the inside. Generally, oil can be goes from this position, come out from here. Injector nozzle. Each of the spare parts, injector nozzle, control valve, solenoid valve. Generally, we use Shumatt, green power, and so on. Also, we can use original Bosch. That's all. At last, if you want to know more about our product, you can send comments to Caitlin and I will have you to check it. Also, you can download our checkbook app to find more information about the injector or other product. At last, if you want to follow us at the channel and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.